Hey everybody, hope you're having an awesome day. In the shop this evening. Anyway, I was just putting up a fire extinguisher. How many of you have ever used or bought a fire extinguisher from AKE? Let me show you this video. This is going to blow you away. These are some pretty incredible fire extinguishers. I think I'm done with the powdered type. I'm going with this type. So you're going to light that on fire?
Oh yeah, I'm going to squirt some in there first. This one is our big unit. It only weighs 5 pounds,
Okay.
but it outperforms a 20-pound dry chemical fire extinguisher. This one I get on combines and choppers, your big tractors. By the way, on the back of our boxes is a user guide. A short burst, just a quick 1-second burst. 6 feet away is what we recommend, aiming it at the base of the fire. This one's our 3-pounder. It weighs 3 pounds, but it outperforms the 10-pound dry chem. It's the same size, but this one is half full, or that one's full.
Okay. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, I can feel that. Oh, and your gauge is on the bottom.
You found our gauges. We put them at the bottom. When ours first came out, they didn't have gauges. We added the gauges to comply with DOT so we could get them on semi-trucks and diesel.
Okay.
DOT inspectors require gauges on them. I get a lot of farmers that put this one in their home. It's designed, this is our mini. It's designed for razors, ATVs, and side-by-sides, but it's perfect for any application in the home.
Oh, cool.
And I say farmers, 80% of my customers are farmers. That's who I sell the most to. This one might be close to getting out, so I'll see if I have got a little bit in there.
So that's it.
What's that?
That's the chemical, or what do you got there?
This is my demo cam, but I knew it was close to. There's a little bit in there. Ours is a liquid under pressure. It comes out as a liquid. It frosts or cools it. If you look right here, you'll see the gases coming out.
Oh yeah, yeah, okay.
What got us into the National Tractor Pull was the speed, how fast it puts out a fire. This is lighter fluid. It's an example of a Class B type of fire. Are you ready to film it?
Oh, I'm filming already.
Oh, okay.
I'll put you on my YouTube channel.
Cool. You light the fire, and then all you have to do is just get the gases close, and when it hits it, it snuffs it out almost instantaneously.
Yeah, I was gonna say, hey, it went out, but you didn't pour anything on it.
It's the gases coming out. They're engineered gases.
Oh, okay.
It'll evaporate away completely.
So you can torch it off again.
If I drop a match in there.
Or will it die? Because there's. Okay, you're going again.
Just get it close.
Oh, wow.
Just a little bit in there. A little more in there.
So it evaporates, is what it does eventually.
Yeah, it'll eventually evaporate. I mean, that one I barely got enough in there. I usually get about this much in there.
So is it going to snuff the oxygen out of your lungs too, or you got to be careful with it?
If you get squirted in the face with stop fire, you might cough or wheeze.
It won't kill you dead.
No. Let me show you that with a little better.
Oh, holy cow.
There's a little more. That barely had a little bit in there. But
I can kind of smell it.
it has a faint odor to it. This is a little fire demonstration. This is the National Tractor Pullers. And if you go to the National Tractor Pullers website, they have a nice ad right on the front of their webpage with our emblem on it. This is our 5th season now with the National Tractor Pullers. I'll also introduce you to Alan. He's the owner of my company. I interviewed with him 3 years ago. He lives in Rochester, Minnesota.
65% of all of your fires that are going to happen in a home.
So this is where I mounted the other fire extinguisher, is on the other end of the shop. Really like these fire extinguishers because they've got the gauge on the bottom. The only thing you have to do to be compliant with these is put the tag on and check them every month, which just means look at the pressure gauge. These will put out a small fire. You can put them back on the wall, use them again. Unlike a sodium, you press it once, you're usually done. That's it. That's the end of them. And the reason that I put this large capacity one over here is because of that parts washer right there that's got 40 gallons of flammable liquid in it. And see that? It won't even run. And the reason is I put a switch over in here and we make sure we turn that off. I don't ever want to fire. I don't want to ever have to use these. But after I saw that demonstration, I thought, you know, that's probably got to be the coolest, best fire extinguisher in the world. So if you live in my area, this is the guy you need to call. If you're interested in them, go to their website. I'm sure they can hook you up with a guy local in your area. But Brian Waite was his name. Super guy. Appreciate him showing me all that. If you want to learn more about these, go to their website, go to the Tractor Pullers Association, and watch that video that he was showing me on his iPad. It's pretty cool stuff. You can train little kids to use this. They're very easy to use. I'm going to get another one and put in my house because I don't even have anything in my house. So go check it out. I think that's well worth the money. If you guys have had any experience with these, let me know in the comments below and let me know what you think.